Hey friends, welcome back. If you're joining for the first time, welcome. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome. Today I'm about to make something epic. It's pumpkin beef soup with a twist. Stick around and stay tuned. Here I have a pot of boiling water. I'm just gonna drop this in here just for a few minutes to sanitize the meat. You know, when you cook the soup and you just put the meat in the pot when the water is boiling and it just froths and all that thing on the top, and you have to skim the pot. So this is the process that I am doing inside of this pot. Yeah. As you can see, just gonna be in there for a few minutes until it's starting to froth. Clean that meat for us. So here it is. I'm finished sanitizing it. You can look in the pot and you see all that this part that's on there. This is what we would usually be skimming from our soup. But we're gonna skip that skimming process because we're cleaning it right here. So I'm gonna remove the meat. I can just grip this bone and I'm gonna transfer it over in my. This is where I'm gonna make the soup in the other soup pot. I can pretty much turn this stove off now. We don't want to cook out the nutrients from it, guys. Just cleaning it for a few. I have it in here for about 5 minutes. As soon as you see it start to form that frothy. So cooking for the rest of the time. Okay guys, I'm cutting the carrots, preparing some celery. Okay, our vegetable is all cut up. I'm gonna pour this into the soup pot. Let it continue to boil with the beef and beef bone. Where all that collagen is, guys. Look at how hearty that is. Okay guys, so I'm adding the corn. The meat has been boiling for approximately an hour and a half. It's starting to become somewhat tender, not too soft at this point. Just add the corn in. I'm adding some more water to my stock. To all my friends who do not know what this is called yellow yam, guys. Put it in the oven along with some sweet potato to bake. Usually back in Jamaica, we roast it, but I'm baking it because I'm not gonna put it on the stove outside, guys. Didn't have time for that. Now I've moved on to my cornmeal and my flour, and I'm making me some cornmeal flour dumplings. Continue watching, guys. Okay, so I'm combining the flour and the cornmeal together, and now I am adding some water. The water has salt in it, guys, so it's already combined. So I'm just trying to get the dough formed. And you can look in my shorts. I have a short video on how I make dumplings, so boiled dumplings. So continue watching. Okay, I'm adding the dumplings to the pot. Okay, after about 10 minutes, I am now adding in my pumpkin, some okras. The okras are optional, but I love the okras, so my family and I, we love the okras. So I'm adding the okras and some scotch bonnet pepper, giving it some flavoring at this point, guys. So I add a bell pepper, nice green bell pepper, some thyme, and remember, guys, while I was building the base for the soup in the beginning, when I put the beef to boil, I had onions, cilantro, pimento. All those herbs are boiling in, so I'm just adding more aromatics, you know, to give it a burst of flavor at this point, guys. Giving it a stir. Add me about a tablespoon of butter. Add me some beef noodles. It's Maggie beef noodle that you didn't see on camera. And I also added some Maggie chicken powdered seasoning. So I'm combining it at this point. The recipe will be in the description, guys, so you can just check out the description for the full recipe. Okay, guys, time to check in on our baked sweet potato. Giving it a check to make sure that it's fully baked. This is a 1, 2, 3, guys. This potato is easy to bake very fast. The yam is a little bit more dense, so let's see how. Oh yes, this is ready. The knife goes right through it, as you can see. Skin is a little crispy, which is a good thing. Show that the yam is fully baked. Okay, let's check back in on our soup, guys. At this point, it's almost finished, just simmering. giving it a stir, making sure that it's not sticking. Usually when you put noodles in, the chicken noodle or beef noodle, whatever noodle you choose, it tends to have some sticking at this point, so just have to keep stirring the pot, making sure that it's not sticking. Okay guys, if you have been watching this video and enjoying it, please give it a subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, thank you. If you have not yet liked it, please give it a like, comment, and share. All right, our soup is finished cooking. Now it's time to plate it. This soup is perfect for any time of the year, but especially on chilly days and chilly nights. This is hot, guys. This is very hot. Okay guys, my soup is finished, and oh my goodness, the roast yam just did it. So I'm gonna say my grace and then give it a taste. Amen. All right, so soup is nice and rich. Some nice pumpkin beef soup, guys, with some beef bone in there, the joint, you know, you get all of the good stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it. Let's take this bad boy out of it. Thank you very much. Thank you for your service. Now you go one side. Oh, let's give it a taste. Oh, 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 oh. Let's drop a piece of the roast yam in there. You know, I just love baking my my ground porridge, and some of them, like when I do the soup, I always like to do a baked potato, a baked sweet potato. You just get all of that sweetness from it in its naturalness, you know, that's cooked back in there. So let's try the roast yam. This is delicious. Okay friends, we have come to the end of this video. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.